we will be looking at how to create a how to change the designs of our pivot table, which is very useful for creating aesthetically very beautiful pivot tables, or even in our management MIS data, basically MIS, management information system data. There also, to create a proper branding color kind of thing, so it's important to have that kind of a designs on our pivot table. So for that, currently I am having this pivot table. I will just to add 2 3 more columns in this, so that it's become very easier for you to realize what I am trying to say you. Now for this, go into the pivot, first click on the pivot table, and in that pivot table you will see a design here. In that design, go into the design, and in the design part you will see there are different types of designs available for the pivot table, like green color, gray color, blue color, orange color, and everything. Right now we are in the blue color, so it is showing in the blue color. We and if you click on this below arrow, you will find a lot of different table styles are available in this. So there is some light color available, medium color, and the dark color also. For the time being, I will just select one for the let's say a light color with a shadow, gray. So you will see how now pivot table is looking at. My pivot table is now looking very much in the black, white, gray color. If I check for the orange, it will be like all the data points will be in the orange color, and the lines, the separator lines and everything will be in the orange color. This color kind of combination can be used. Yellow color, there are different kind of combinations you can actually try a lot, and I will really recommend you should try all these kind of thing, colors, so that it will be very much useful for you to also remember, also understand how this can be a changing point for your impressions on your audience and everything. Here, if you want that your uh, header should have a dark background, so you can use like this, a dark background here. In this blue, black, gray, again there are different types of them. Then if you want like the top and the bottom should be in the dark, and the between parts can be in somewhat light or dark color, so you can select from the dark theme. In this dark theme, again go into design and check for the dark theme. You will see the background is changed to the orange, and all the label headers and the footers, means the last point row and the first rows are converted into a very dark color of the orange. Same in the blue. And so it is just providing a backgrounds kind of thing, what kind of a background you want. Suppose and now there is one more part. You can actually have this type also, that your row labels are also colored in the dark. So this kind of a dark green color, bottle green color, I can actually get into this, or a blue color, yellow color. They are different styles, just try it. And I am sure that you will love these designs also to have on your pivot table. These are basic parts of the pivot table, basic learnings of the pivot table, but once you are having a command on all this, it will be very much useful for you to make a stunning MIS reports, stunning dashboards, which people, which your management or the top management, whatever, to whomever you are presenting, they will get attracted to it. So it's important that you understand this. And there are also in this also one thing, if you really don't like any of this, you can just clear from here. Just go into design, go into the drop down, and clear. It is clear, so there is no any color on the pivot table layout. So I hope you understand this part about how to create a design, how to use the predefined designs for the pivot table. In the next video, I will be discussing about how to make your own style colors in the pivot table, so that you can create your own brand, you can create your own themes for the pivot table. See you in the next video. Thank you.